Hey guys, today we are gonna tackle the refrigerator. It has been driving me crazy. It needs organized. I got a couple bins. The best thing that I can say, grab those from a store like Ross or HomeGoods because they're a lot cheaper than buying them at bigger stores. Okay, the first tip for any sort of organizing and decluttering is to pull everything out. And while I'm doing that, I'm also checking dates to make sure that nothing is expired or just has seen better days. And if so, I'm just tossing it. And you'll notice that there's a lot of beer coming out of the fridge. We recently had a party. And so now that is just gonna go back to the fridge in the garage because it's not something that we typically keep in our kitchen fridge. And then I'm gonna wipe everything down. This spray that I have is great. It's called Thieves Cleaner. It's non-toxic, plant-based, so it's safe to use around your food, around your kids, and it's just really nice because it's only one cleaner that you need for the entire house. So I just spray and then I wipe it and it is good to go. Okay, so here is where a little bit of Tetris is gonna come into play, which I loved that game as a kid. And I got these bins today and I've already washed them, and so now they're ready to go in and hold food. I got them from Ross and HomeGoods. They were only a couple of dollars each. And then now I'm gonna grab a Sharpie marker because I normally keep my meats up top there, but I can never see the dates, so I just write it on the front. And then in a little bit, I've decided that I'm gonna move the meats to the meat container. I've always kept them up high because I didn't want the kids touching them, but now they're a little bit older, so I think it'll be okay to store them in the correct drawer. You've probably noticed that I'm swapping out the containers. These are the Rubbermaid Premier. Really excited to find these. They were about half the price at Ross for the same exact product at the Container Store. And I'm excited because I know if we can see the food better than it being in that dark green Tupperware container, that we're gonna eat it because it's just gonna look appetizing, way better than playing guess that food in my fridge. play with these. I've never been super happy with them. I did buy a Lazy Susan, so in a minute I'm gonna just do a little bit more rearranging in the fridge and swap that out so that the ones that we grabbed the most can just be on the little turntable there. Again, the Lazy Susan I grabbed from Ross, and I believe it was $5. If you have a better way to store your vegetables, I would love to hear it in the comments. I am not super excited about this because they're still going down in the tray, and I feel like a lot of things, because it's so deep, get hidden in there and then something might go bad. And I'm really trying hard to eliminate the waste, but we eat a lot of vegetables, so I'm not really sure what the best option is. Maybe just remove the drawer and get some bins for that area. Happy to say we are done with this project. It looks a lot better, and it was about 28 minutes, so we totally met our goal of doing it in under 30 minutes. Now on to the next thing.